At Quality Properties of Northwest Florida, we specialize in making the home selling process fast, simple, and stress-free. We buy homes directly, helping homeowners avoid the traditional complexities of real estate transactions. Section 1. Overpricing your home. One common pitfall is setting a price too high. When you sell directly to us, you can skip the traditional market pricing and get a fair cash offer quickly. Section 2. Neglecting home condition. While traditional sales often require repairs and upgrades, selling to us means you can sell your home as is, saving time and money. Section 3. Skipping professional staging. You don't need to worry about staging or repairs. We buy homes in any condition, making the process straightforward. Section 4. Ignoring marketing and timing. When you sell to us, there's no waiting for the right buyer. We provide a quick and efficient sale, often closing in days. Section 5. Lack of transparency. We believe in full transparency. You'll receive a clear and honest cash offer, with no hidden fees. At Quality Properties of Northwest Florida, we're here to make selling your home as easy and hassle-free as possible. Contact us today for a fair cash offer and experience a seamless sale. Want to sell your home fast for cash? Contact Quality Properties of Northwest Florida LLC today. We buy houses in any condition, with no fees, no agents, and no hassle. Call or text us at 850-346-4995. Visit us at qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com.